Let's unpack our Bees and Florals Stick and Stitch pack. Each of our Stick and Stitch packs comes with loads of cute designs in a particular theme. They're perfect for adding adorable stitched motifs to clothing, bags, pouches, and home decor. Now, these designs are so simple to use. Just choose your design, peel off the backing, and stick it onto your fabric. Then you can embroider the design and rinse the patch away, leaving your gorgeous stitching behind. These designs come in different sizes and are printed onto a water-soluble material. Look at how easy it is to wash the sticky part away. This is one of my favorite parts of the process. It's super fun. Don't these designs just add such a cute personalized touch to your clothing and accessories? You can stitch them onto t-shirts, denim shorts, tea towels, pencil cases, almost anything you want. Another awesome thing about these packs is that they come with comprehensive step-by-step video instructions to teach you how to embroider onto clothing. These tutorials are perfect for beginners because you'll learn 7 different embroidery techniques, how to use the patches, and my tips for embroidering onto clothing and accessories. The idea is that you watch these videos and then the rest is up to you. You choose what item to stitch onto, the thread colours, and the stitches you want to use. So these are yours to personalise. But if you want some inspo, we have lots of stitched up examples which you can use as guides. Now, don't be scared because this is the time to start learning embroidery onto clothing with our easy to follow and simple video tutorials. This pack is perfect for beginners and I just know you'll have so much fun learning to embroider onto clothing. You can grab your beginner stick and stitch pack at cleverpoppy.com. I can't wait to see what you create.